And welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make neem and green tea leave-in conditioner for your natural hair. Green tea and natural does wonders for your hair and your scalp health in general, as well as successfully fight off scalp issues like redness, itchiness, and dandruff. So to make this neem and green tea leave-in conditioner, I have my ingredient measured out. First I have my distilled water, and for my distilled water I'm using 100 grams of distilled water and 113 grams of aloe vera juice. Those will serve as the base to this leave-in conditioner. It will help moisturize your hair. And those for this conditioner I'm using cream base I made earlier. I'll drop the link on how I made this cream base. With this cream base you can just make your leave-in conditioner or your serum within minutes of planning to make it. So here I have my cream base. I have 53 grams of cream base. After heating up, placing the distilled water and aloe vera over a low heat, and just you see the way I checked it on my skin, just a little, or you just check it once it's not too hot, then you put in the cream base to it. And after that I start blending. This doesn't take time. If you've not watched how to make the cream base, after this you can go back and watch the cream base. I'll drop the link below. It's very simple to make it, just with your butters and your oils. After that you don't need, at this point you just need just water and every other ingredient you want to add to your leave-in conditioner, and you're good to go with a leave-in conditioner of your choice. So at this point I'm blending it. So one of the benefits of neem in this leave-in conditioner is that neem has a fatty acid which keep the hair follicles in a moist condition, and this helps the hair stay smooth. And after moisturizing it, it retains moisture. And with this leave-in conditioner and the recipe used in this, it will help you after moisturizing your hair. Your hair will stay longer before you re-moisturize your hair again. So at this point, this is the cool down phase. At this point, when you check it, if you're using your thermometer to check, you see once the leave-in conditioner gets to 100° Fahrenheit, then you can start adding your cool down phase so that the nutrients will remain in your conditioner. So guys, I love the consistency of this neem and green tea leave-in conditioner. So at this point, the green tea and the neem is part of my actives for this leave-in conditioner. And so next, at this point, I'll start adding my cool down ingredients. So the first I'm using deep panthenol. Deep panthenol will help moisturize your hair, help protect your hair from sun damage. And after adding my deep panthenol, I'm going to mix it as I'm doing at this point to make sure I combine the deep panthenol with the conditioner itself. So after that, I will start adding other ingredients. And for the ingredient I added green tea extract, 10 grams of green tea extract. For the green tea extract, I made it myself. So I'll also drop the link on how I made this green tea extract. Instead of buying it from the store, it's quite expensive. So if you watch that video, you'll be able to make your green tea extract at home. Then after adding my green tea extract, I'm going to mix it as well. And after that, I add my neem extract. For my neem extract, I also use 10 grams of neem extract. That's what I just added now. 10 grams of neem extract. And for the deep panthenol I added earlier, I used 3 grams of deep panthenol. However, those measurements and ingredients, I will still drop it on the screen. So you feel free to make a screenshot so that you have it in your phone whenever you decide to make those leave-in conditioner. So guys, at this point I'm adding my preservative. I used liquid German plus for this preservative. For my preservative, I used 3 grams of preservative. like I will always advise, remember to follow your manufacturer's instruction whenever you're using a preservative in your product. I so love this consistency for my leave-in conditioner. It's not thick, it's not light, it's just in between. So the next I use tea tree oil. Is an antioxidant for those leave-in conditioner, and in place of tea tree oil you can use your vitamin E oil for this conditioner. So after adding my tea tree oil, the next I added is my essential oil. For my tea tree oil I used 5 grams of tea tree oil, and my essential oil I added 3 grams of essential oil. You can use any essential oil of choice. Here I use vanilla essential oil because I love the smell of it. I love it in my leave-in conditioner. After mixing all my ingredients, the next is to check the pH. And remember, this leave-in conditioner is pH balanced, which means is good for is safe for your hair and your scalp. So at this point I'm checking the pH. Just take I take 2 grams of the leave-in conditioner and 8 grams of distilled water and mix it. And after mixing it, then I will check it with my pH strip. And here I have it. I have 5.5 for my pH. So guys, this leave-in conditioner is safe for your hair. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and share my videos. If you're new to my channel and you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you have any comments, any question as regard to this leave-in conditioner, don't forget to use the comment section. I will always be there to answer your questions. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.